Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I talk about Xiaomi Redmi Display G Pro 27. So friend, new addition to the market is now accessible for purchase, and friend, this display features a 27-inch 2K screen with a refresh rate of 180Hz, design of gaming. It incorporates a mini-LED backlight with 1152 partitions and offers a peak brightness level of 1000 nits. The Redmi Display G Pro 27 is characterized by its high peak brightness of 1000 nits and minimum brightness of 0.001 nits and a dynamic contrast ratio of 10 lakh gem 1, and it also features a proprietary dynamic backlit technology with 4 adjustable modes catering to various user requirements. And from a performance perspective, this display utilizes a fast IPS panel with a 2K resolution and 180Hz refresh rate, support FreeSync technology and achieve a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time with Overdrive enabled, and friend, it employs a QD quantum dot technology ensuring full coverage of sRGB color space, 99% DCI-P3 space, and 97% of Adobe RGB spectrum, and friend, it supports 10-bit color depth through 8-bit plus FRC technology and color accuracy with a delta E value of less than 2. And friend, the connectivity option include two DisplayPort 1.4 ports, two HDMI and 2.0 port, and audio output. The monitor comes with an adjustable stand that supports both height adjustment and rotation. It is compatible with VESA wall mount and weighs approximately 6.8 kg and powered by 65-watt adapter. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.